How to create a QR code generator app with Flutter using ChatGPT. Be welcome to the ChatGPTer channel, where you'll learn tips, tutorials, and know the latest news about ChatGPT. So let's get started by asking to ChatGPT how to create a QR code generator app with Flutter from scratch. It should specify how to create the Flutter project and it can require dependencies. The QR code should be generated after using input URL and press button, and the ChatGPT should show the full code solution. And here we can see the step-by-step to create the Flutter project. So first step is to create a new Flutter project, and we can create it by running this command on the terminal. So let's copy the command, let's open the terminal, and let's run the command. So the Flutter project is created. Let's open it on VS Code, for example. Now let's take a look to the step number 2, and the step number 2 is to add the required dependencies. And we can add this dependency QR_Flutter by adding this line to the pubspec.yaml file, or we can simply copy the dependency name. And now let's open here the terminal and run the command flutter pub add, and then let's paste the dependency name. So the dependency was added. So the step number 3 is to add this code that has the basic user interface that includes a text field where the user can input the URL and the button that generates the QR code when pressed. So let's copy this code and let's add it on the main.dart file so we can find it inside of the lib folder. Let's replace everything that we have here by the code given by ChatGPT. So let's save the file. And now let's run our project. So I'll run it from Android emulator. So the emulator is running. So let's run our app. And here we can see the app running. So let's enter here a URL. I'll enter the URL to my YouTube channel. So let's enter. And here we can see the QR code. And let's see if it's working. So I'll show now the screen of my smartphone. You can see the QR code. And here we can see the app address contained on the QR code. So I'll just try to open to see if it opens on my YouTube channel. And here we can see my YouTube channel. So the QR code was generated correctly. Now let's just try to delete here the handle. And let's just leave the URL to YouTube to see if the QR code changes. And we can see in real time the QR code changing, so it updates in real time accordingly to the URL that we have here on the field. And that's it for this tutorial. If you want to stay up to date on tutorials and videos related to a ChatGPT, subscribe to the channel and enable notifications bell. And also, if you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.